What's up, YouTube? It's been a while, and we're back, and we figured we would do something cool for you guys. You ever wanted to make your own salt-cured salmon for awesome snacks or healthy meals or just an awesome breakfast? We're going to show you how I do it.
Well, I'm ready.
Alright, so we have here some awesome sockeye salmon. Then I have some Himalayan pink salt, and this is very coarse salt. As you can see, it's like little pellets. The other thing you're going to need is some sugar. I use like a natural cane sugar, so it's like unbleached. It's got the brownness in it still. And then a little bit of, I'm using, so this is a 12-year-old aged scotch. You can use whiskey, you can use a little bit of tequila, you can use vodka even. Salt-wise, you don't need a lot of salt. You just need to be able to cover the bottom of the container that you're using it for. And you need about 1/8 to 1/4 equivalent of salt and sugar just to give it a little flavor. I coat the bottom of the container with this beautiful salt. And then what I do is sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on there. And then I lay the salmon face up like this. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of chives on there. Just like that. And then we're gonna cover the rest of it with the salt.
But just FYI, don't freak out. You're not going to eat all this salt.
Yeah.
It will come off.
You're gonna wash it off.
Yes, and the reason we're using a lot of salt is
to draw out the moisture and cure it. So that's what's gonna basically make this delicious. Cover it up in the container, and it goes in the fridge for, I would say, 24 hours.
what happened to whiskey or tequila?
Don't forget to add the whiskey or tequila.
The most important ingredient.
So I add it so it goes to the bottom, and just a couple of splashes on top. There you go. Salmon water is coming out of it. We're basically drying the fish out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain it. Alright. So now that it's drained, there's no more liquid. It's going to go back into the fridge for another 12 hours. There you go. And if you look at the salmon now, it's stiff. It's cured. There's no flex in it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is try to get the salt off of her. And then the next thing, cold water, and rinse all of that salt off. Salmon you could use for anything you would like this guilt-free salad. So in the salad we only have romaine lettuce, yellow pepper, and some red jalapenos. And there you go. And then on top of that, all we have to do is just nicely top it off with some capers. raw filet to a salt cured filet to an awesome guilt-free salad. Just like that. I'll see you guys.